this thing does, huh? Let's see how this car's gonna drive. New transmission. Yeah, buddy. Put the racing gloves on him. Yeah, buddy. My gloves right here, eh? Don't hate, don't hate, don't hate.
Clutch in.
gear. You heard that? Crook. Doesn't do that first. Doesn't do that with second. See that? Catches in. First. Second, no problem. Third gear. Boom. Fourth, no problem. Fifth, no problem. Sixth, no problem. Yo, what's up, YouTubers?
What's up, guys?
We got Della back over there. I don't know if you can see her right there. Josiah back over there.
As well, yes.
And we got Noah up in here.
The recorder mostly.
And of course, you got my select garage up in here. Well, anyways, guys, as you know, I got this transmission from JDM Ohio, and I put it in the car. And as you can see it from the previous video, you can tell the third gear is grinding bad. I was like, what? Anyways, I reached out to JDM Ohio and I told them exactly what's going on, and they made it right. They said, hey, take the transmission out, open it up, let me know what's going on, and we will fix whatever's wrong with it. So that's exactly what happened. Took the train apart. Third gear was bad. They saved me $350, and I went to Honda, and I bought a brand new third gear. Just put it in the car. This is actually my first time. We're about to drive it. Most likely not gonna quite go beast mode because I got the kids in the car, as you can see.
We love going beast mode. We love it.
You guys like beast mode. I get it, but people watching this, they say, "Yo, you're just a bad father. You're just careless. You don't care about your kids." Even though
people say that.
Even though I'm a good driver, even though, well, I think I'm a good driver, I'm a safe driver for the most part. I will not do something that I'm not safe or in control of. If there's something that I'm just gonna, what the heck, just go for it, I will not do that with you guys in the car. But as far as if I go fast because actually I know I can handle this speed, this corner, this whatever. Anyways, long story short is, train is back in the car. I was able to get it in. I had a friend, two friends that came by, which is a, what's his name, Papalapte Wilfredo. He dressed that nice V-Dub, slam, airbags. And I got my boy, Papalapte Chris Fino, that I don't even know how many cars this guy has, but he's got the Legend, the green RS6. But anyways, I guess appreciate it. It was more like a kind of having friends over, hanging out, having a good time, and we also kind of had some fun. And I'll post a quick video exactly what we're up to while we're doing this. And that's why it took so long to get the transmission back in the car, because as you can tell from the video, the previous video before I got the car running. Anyways, so. Not sure if you can really tell the shifter right here. I'm just kind of playing in my head. But it's first time right here. You guys ready?
Yeah, also I know your passcode. Look, let's see. It's learned today. Wait, no,
Nice. Third gear, no problem. First gear right here.
No, wrong thing.
transmission. JDM Ohio, appreciate you. And we're back on the road. Time to go peaceful. Let's see up in here. Second gear. Nice. Nice.
Love going fast.
Everything works. Everything works like it's supposed to.
Fast as that. Fast as me and my dad think.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like on the motorcycles.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, that's bright. Oh no, that doesn't work.
Good things come in pairs.